you enjoying the book?
Yes, it is very relaxing. We should be landing soon.
We are experiencing severe turbulence, flight level 300.
Roger that. Maintain altitude, we are banking hard.
We're losing altitude rapidly, requesting immediate vector.
Turbulence is too strong, I can't maintain course. Mayday, mayday.
Please, God, help me through this. I can't lose control.
Get us down safely, just guide me now.
Please, God, please help me land this plane. We're in trouble, save us all.
Please, God, save us. Have mercy on our souls. Make it stop.
I can't breathe, we're gonna die!
Please remain calm. Stay in your seats and listen to the crew. We're gonna die.
Oh God, please help us!
I'm so sorry. Please just give me another chance. I promise I'll change everything. I know I don't deserve it, but please find it in your heart to forgive me. I promise I will change. Oh, thank God we're safe.
It's okay, darling. It's over now.
It's all right, we're okay now.
Here, take this.
Thank you so much. Sometimes, in the middle of fear, a single prayer can change everything.